Hi, I'm Khouloud, a PhD candidate of the Fight Food Waste CRC, working on a project to reduce food waste in Australia. Growing up, I would always hear the statement, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" And I'd always have an answer that was ready. Nowadays, when I get asked this question, I tend to pause. Not because I don't know what I want to be when I grow up, but because the why question kicks in. Research with an impact is something that I strive to achieve. This is why I chose to study as part of the Fight Food Waste CRC. As part of the overall goal to reduce food waste, my project is centred around how Foodbank can enhance its stakeholder engagement. Foodbank is Australia's largest food rescue organisation. Over 4 million Australians have issues in sourcing food, yet food rescue organisations are only meeting the demand of 60% of those in need, whether this be women who are experiencing domestic violence, single parents, people who are underemployed or unemployed. At the same time, the amount of food available is 3 times more than the industry's capacity. So something needs to be done regarding this agenda. Now, I know that I'm still in the beginning of my research journey and my findings are far from complete, but what I have learned so far is that to maximise stakeholder engagement, whether this be for Foodbank itself or its partnering charities, it remains a difficult task. This is because it involves humans, and no two humans think the same. Before beginning my research, I did not think that strategies that made better use of utilising humans are the simple yet complex solutions to reducing food waste in Australia. So if Foodbank improved engagement of its volunteers, its employees, as well as its partnering charities, they can enhance their distribution. So what excites me about this project? Being able to conduct academic-led research with industry partners is the key to the future of applied research. Therefore, this opportunity fits in really well with my goal of applied research. And finally, what I hope to achieve when it comes to food waste innovation. So far, it's the understanding that for food waste innovation to be successful, there needs to be proper engagement from the people involved in the whole distribution process. Put simply, in order for the recommendations and solutions to be achieved, they need to be realistic and impactful. Apart from that, I'm extremely excited to continue my research project and tap deeper into the tip of the iceberg to generate some very interesting and impactful findings. So recommendations that improve human interactions will lead to better stakeholder engagement, resulting in more effective food distribution for Foodbank. So if my project were to succeed by increasing capacity by 0.1%, this will result in 100,000 more meals available to food insecure individuals across Australia, as well as 25,000 kilograms of food being rescued. So the impact and the practical implications are plentiful.